welcome to our final day here at Hotel Xcaret Arte.
I don't want to leave.
Well, we'll make today a good day. We're going to start it off right with breakfast at my favorite restaurant, right there. And then we're going to go to Xenses, and then we'll come back to the hotel and have a grand old time. Does that sound good to you?
Yes, that is also my favorite place to eat breakfast at. So.
We're doing the other one.
We have made it to Xenses, and we are very confused. Okay, would you all feel like you're going up or down?
I feel like I'm going up. I feel like I'm going down.
Yeah, I feel down. So, I'm going uphill, but I feel like I'm going downhill. It's cool. Now I'm going down, but I feel like I'm going up. See how long it takes. Had an enjoyable and relaxing last day because Xenses was absolutely awful, so we left as soon as we could, just to avoid the reservation fee. Made it a cool day, had a good time, had some drinks, took long naps. I did that whatever course, and I still can't find Station 10, but now on to dinner for the last night at the market. As our vacation draws to a close, with one last relaxing night here. It's our final morning here. How are you feeling?
I don't want to go back home. I want it to last forever.
So I take it you enjoyed this trip?
I did.
Favorite part?
Rafting.
Rafting? Okay. Our final crossing of the wobbly bridge.
I'm a master at it now. And then...
What a great view. What a great resort. Alright, Nan, how did you enjoy Mexico?
I had an exhilarating time.
What was your favorite part?
I like going through the river cave.
River cave?
She's walking.
Alright, Casson, how did you like Mexico?
I enjoyed it.
And your favorite part was?
Savage.
What part of Savage?
The whitewater rafting.
Cool, cool. Good boy! Stop! I enjoyed Mexico thoroughly. I think my favorite part was the high ropes course doing the tall level. Hey Jay, how did you enjoy Mexico?
I loved it.
What was your favorite part?
Probably a hotel.
Xcaret Park.
Xcaret Park? Okay.
But I liked Xel-há too.
What was your favorite thing to do at those parks?
Basically floating in the river.
Lauren, how did you enjoy Mexico?
Loved it.
What was your favorite part?
I know everyone's gonna make fun of me for doing that. I like the zip lines the best.
At Fuego?
Yep.
And that concludes our 2022 Hotel Xcaret Arte Mexico family vacation. I hope you all enjoyed this, and if you're planning to go to Hotel Xcaret, I hope you enjoy your trip. Have fun. I know we did. Till next time, thank you all for watching.
I need one more chance, oh baby, let me show you. I need one more chance, oh baby, all I need one more chance, oh baby, let me show you. I need one more chance, oh.